Good day, Divergence traders. How y'all doing today? I hope you're all doing good. We had some really great setups here today. Let me show them to you. Okay, we're looking at the NQ, NASDAQ, 2-minute chart. Always trade in the 2-minute. Not always, but most of the time. Okay, the first setup was right here. Come in, put in a low, then a retracement, and a lower low. I actually did this trade. I just jumped in there, and I don't know, call it dumb luck or I don't know, call it you schmuck luck. I don't know, because I really probably shouldn't have done the trade. But the reason why is because, it just made this high. And I'm trying to buy at the high, basically, and hope it's going to keep going up. When you should really be looking counter trend at the opposite of what the market will do, right? So this one here, we'll call it a failure, okay? This buy right in here, but we did have a trade after that. We definitely did. Like this. And from that high down to that lower high. So there you go. That was the trade. Let's make this a bit bigger, huh? So you can see it better. Okay. There's hidden divergence right there. And down it went. Okay, so it was a good trade. Definitely a good trade. And along the way, we had a higher close, sell it, and down it goes, okay? Then we had a hook down, which took forever, and I got out of it with a loss, a small little loss. I didn't do this trade up here. I just did the buy, and then it came down. Then once it started, crashing down here with the news or with the opening of the stock market, that's what this pin bar with the big long wick is. I got in here somewhere. Actually, I got in before that and took it to the pivot, and then I got out, and then I got in another little rally up, and I sold it again, and yeah, I took her way down here, and it was a beautiful thing. Okay, it was a beautiful thing. So yeah, so it was a hook down right there. Then look, we put in lower lows, but see on the right side, it's too big. It needs to be smaller than this side. The right side needs to be smaller than the left side, always. So anyway, yeah, there was no trade to buy it in here. There was no divergence down here. No divergence, okay? But you had those good setups right there. Let me tell you this quickly. So I told you the other day, I draw out all the trade entry points, but I never really showed you. But it's in my manual, of course. But I never showed you what do you think about and what do you look for before the setup occurs. So we'll call it like a pre-setup. Okay. So let me explain that to you. Okay. Okay. Here we go. So as the market's coming down, right? If you want to follow the trend, then you're waiting for a divergent sell trade, right? So it pulled back and came back and back up, which created our sell setup scenario right here. So once price closed down and the 5 closed down, you would have got short and down it goes. Okay, So that's one example. I'll show you another example another time. Well, let me show you this one here. So the market's coming down. So as the market price is slowly coming down, what you need to be thinking about in your head, first you want to trade what you see, of course, but you want to be thinking in your head, okay, the market's coming down. I'm looking for a retracement and then a continuation, and you jump in the trade and down it goes. Okay, that's not actually a good example. Hold on. I can't find an example here. Anyway, as the market is going up and going up, stair-stepping up and up and up, you want to, look for a high, then a higher high, and then you look for the setup and you get short and you sell it. Okay? So you always got to be thinking when the market is going up, you're looking to, for a higher high or a double top or the opposite of those to get in the trade. Okay? So this is how you see it beforehand, before it occurs. The market must be moving. The charts are just jumping all over the place here. Let me see what's happening. Oh, it's not really moving anywhere. But here's one of those V-shaped reversals. Okay? So anyway, let's go check out MetaTrader now. Where the hell is? Oh, it's over here. Right here. This is the 5-minute. Okay, and we happen to have, oh, wrong chart. NASDAQ. Okay. I don't think I see any divergence on the NASDAQ. That's common on the 5-minute. It moves too slow or too fast or too something. Let's look at S&P. Yeah, same shit. V-shaped reversal, right? And there's fucking no divergence again. Well, there should be right here. No. Wow. Well, there is up here. Double top. Yeah, there's the divergence there, and you would have got short in there. And if you held it all the way through, well, it went down 35 points or so from the top. That was the S&P. This is the Dow. Oh, look at that. Look at that big schmuck, eh? Look at that. And then it goes sideways. And then it creates wicks. And then it takes off to the moon. Oh, God. There's no trade there. Oh, I'm tired again. Sorry. 187 points to the top. There's no trade there. Pound dollar. Oh, look at the pound dollar. It actually did have. It had this double top. Higher highs. Yeah, there was divergence here to sell it all the way down. Well, we'll mark it on there for you. Why not? Eh? Why not? Why not? That goes down like that. And you would have got short right from up here, and down it went, how much? 74 pips, pound dollar, it went down. And then we had a low retracement, lower low. Okay. And from here up to there, there's the divergence. Well, a little bit more there, right there. Yeah, That's it. That's divergence. And we would have got long right in there. Still taking off up. 72 pips on the pound dollar. And the euro? Wow, what the heck is that spike, eh? This is weird. This is a weird formation down here. Yeah, you could tweak it and say, yeah, it was divergent. Come on. Right? You could tweak it. Like that. Pointing up, price going to go up. So you would have got long right there. And it went up. Euro, 36 pips on the euro. That's a big move on the euro. Usually does 33% of that kind of move. Pound yen, what did it do? Some ugly, some rounded bottoms here. I see no fucking setup here. Holy fuck. They sure are making a mess out of these charts before the 2024 election next week. Making a mess of it. Euro yen, oh look at that spike. Wow. Look at all this chop shop. Slop. This is chop slop right in here. Oh God, let's move on. Oil. So we got lower lows right there. And it was a buy trade on the oil right there. And it went up 115 points to the top with the help of the news, of course. There was news today for oil at 10:30. That's 10:30. Yeah, 50. No, that's 8:30. Anyway, there was news, I think, at 10:30. And what did gold do? We have lower lows. Somewhere in there you would have got long. Went up 65. And then she came smashing back down. 165 from the top, smash down. Crazy shit. And that's it for the markets that move. And now we're going to look at Bitcoin. Did you go to a new high, you motherfucker? No, not yet. It went up 2 ticks or something, just below the all-time high of right here. This is the weekly time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, you see weekly at the top? Yeah, so that's what we're looking at. Yeah, there's some people who say it's going to $250,000 per coin. And I could have bought some for $1. I should slap myself for that. Yeah, I could have bought some for $1, like 2,000 of them. From a Bitcoin miner in Israel. I could have bought some. Tel Aviv, Israel, that is. Yes, I have been there. Been there and back once in 2014. They have amazing food there. So good. Oh, yeah, so good. All the restaurants, good food. Good quality, too, of food. Anyway, I coulda, I woulda, I shoulda, but I didn't. I didn't buy any. Because if I bought some, 2,000 of them, trust me, I wouldn't be here doing this video. I don't think so. I'd have so much damn money I wouldn't know what to fucking do with it. I have bought some Bitcoin, just a couple coins when I was, buying other crypto coins. Because you first had to buy Bitcoin in order to buy the other coins. That's the only way you can make a deposit into your crypto account to buy other coins. Yeah, that was fucked up, let me tell you. Nothing like exchange fees and these fees and those fees. I think I was paying like 35% in fees. So if I sent $1, 70 cents of it would go in my account. They would take the other 35 cents. Yeah. What can you do? And XRP? Yeah, it's sitting there doing the same thing. And silver? Oh, it's just sitting there. And Ethereum? Yeah, Ethereum's trying to catch up there. And what about the yen? Oh, yeah, see, it still wants to push up here. Okay, ladies and gents, that's it for today. Thanks for coming and watching and listening. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you really like it, subscribe and come back tomorrow. Why not, eh? Yeah, why not? Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good afternoon, good luck, and good trading.